So Meera, first of all, a warm welcome to Glitz Vision USA.
Thank you.
Yeah, I mean it's been almost a year. I think the last time we interviewed was on your birthday only.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now it's again for your birthday. So the first question is, always like, what are your plans? And are you going somewhere? How are you celebrating your birthday?
Fortunately, this year my brother has come back from Canada and he's going to be staying for some time. So I am very happy about that. And I think we'll do a family dinner or something fun of that
Right.
sort. Nothing elaborate, but yeah.
Right. And of course, birthdays are a very, it's a good thing, but the fact also that you're moving forward, there's no coming back. So does that scares you? And now it's like you are okay with this concept that you are aging and you can't do anything about it.
I have no issues because and I have never shied away also from telling my age or something. Also, there are so many people who are like नहीं age नहीं पूछते लड़की से and all that. I'm quite okay with that. It's not just growth that I believe जो age के साथ होता है. It's a growth as a person also. अगर आपका कोई growth ही नहीं हुआ है as a human being, as a person in your life, then आपके जो साल बढ़ रहे हैं उसका कोई point नहीं है. So I believe that's what matters the most.
Right. I don't know what personal growth and professional growth you wish when next year आप अपना birthday celebrate करेंगी.
Okay, personal growth is that right now we're sitting in my own house and that is a big growth for me, touch wood. And professionally things are a bit slow, I would say, but I'm hoping and I'm waiting something really good to come my way, and I'll sign it and I'll be back on your screens very soon because I am also dying to be back on the sets and shoot, and that is a different environment and I miss it.
Right. And anything you want to say, to the fans or the people who are really excited for your birthday? So anything which you want to say to them?
So I've been seeing the edits and everything on Instagram that my fans keep doing, and I'm so thankful to them. All the fan pages are, जो पहले होते थे वो अभी भी उतने ही active है, and they've been making efforts to post nice pictures and videos of me. So that's really sweet of them, and I want to thank them for the love that they give me. It's quite overwhelming. At the same time, I want to add that I have always believed in helping the underprivileged, and I would request whoever wants to bring blessings to me or wants to do anything for me should help someone else. That will make me really happy.
Okay. Lastly, of all the birthdays which you have celebrated, what has been your favorite one, and what's the best gift you have ever received according to you?
There's not one to pick from. I think because since my brother is here, I think after 4 years and we'll be celebrating my birthday together, this will be a memorable and special one for sure, that I can tell. Other than that, I think the 2017 birthday of mine was quite happening. It was an environment full of all my loved ones, and everyone was there, on the sets, family wise also. So it was quite fulfilling for me. For me, मेरे लिए ऐसा नहीं है कि पार्टी करनी है, कुछ बड़ा सा बैश किया और ऐसा. I've never been this person. बट मेरे लिए जो मैटर करता है वो ये है कि जो मेरे अपने लोग हैं वो मेरे साथ रहे मेरे जन्मदिन के दिन. तो दैट इज़ वेरी स्पेशल टू मी.
Okay, and any gift which is very special to your heart? Any birthday gift?
Yeah, there are quite some gifts that are special, but I don't know. I mean, not one in particular. I mean, my mom used to give me Barbie dolls when I was a kid. That's what I remember very precisely. बाकी तो मुझे याद नहीं मेरा भाई क्या गिफ्ट देगा वो सब.
Okay. And lastly, and from past 2 years, everyone is facing their own difficulties. And anything which you now want to wish, maybe for everyone, for the fans, or for the TV fraternity, or generally for all the people, because people have gone through a lot. So anything which you wish for them?
What I wish for everyone right now is कि सब लोग किसी ना किसी चीज़ से गुजर रहे हैं, एंड आई होप कि सबके पास वो स्ट्रेंथ है कि वो उसमें से बाहर आ सके. मैं अपने लेवल तक जिनके लिए वो इन्फ्लुएंस बन सकती हूँ, आई होप मैं उनके लिए वो इन्फ्लुएंस बनूँ. बट बाकी सब लोग पूरी टीवी इंडस्ट्री और जिस तरह से हम सबकी ज़िंदगी होती थी, आई विश एंड आई होप कि हमारी ज़िंदगियाँ वैसे ही हो जाए वापस बहुत जल्दी.
सबसे पहले तो ऑफ कोर्स आपका बर्थडे सेगमेंट है, हम केक काटेंगे, बट वी आर वेरी हैप्पी कि यू नो समवन हैज जॉइंड. तो प्लीज यू नो इफ यू कैन इंट्रोड्यूस हु इज ही एंड इफ यू कैन इंट्रोड्यूस टू द फैंस.
This is my younger brother Aditya. I know जो लोग मुझे जानते हैं वो सब जानते हैं कि आदित्य. I call him Adi. And yes, so he is here from Canada and he is here to make my birthday special.
स्पेशली इसकी बर्थडे के लिए आया हूँ.
Aww.
Okay, and if you want to say anything about Meera, because हम कभी you know सेलिब्रिटी की फैमिली ज़्यादा कभी आते नहीं है कैमरा पे, बात नहीं करते, बट क्योंकि आज आप आए हैं तो मीरा के बारे में, उनके जो भी उन्होंने अचीवमेंट्स किए उसके बारे में कुछ भी कहना चाहे तो वो.
I'd be a good brother. I'm very proud के what she has done since a very young age. To be honest, I think she was 18 when she started in this TV industry and she has been doing good. English में चलेगा. So I'm very proud उसने जो किया है, जो achieve किया है, and yeah, that's why you know I'm very happy as a brother. I can proudly say Meera is my sister, and also the fans keep on loving her. I also get requests from her fan pages and stuff. So yeah, I'm very proud of my sister, and she has achieved great heights, and I hope she keeps on continuing this. So yeah.
Okay. If you have seen her, you know, any of the scenes, you know, she show
He just saw some yesterday.
Yeah, anything you want to say about, especially, you know, her acting skills?
देखो, उसने मुझे कल जबरदस्ती बिठा के उसकी सारी सीरीज और सारे सीन्स दिखाए, एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. शी एक्ट्स वेरी वेल, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. बाकी आई एम अ वेरी हार्ड क्रिटिक, सो मैं उसको बहुत बोलता भी रहता हूँ कि यू नो यू शुड डू दिस दैट, बट अगेन शी इज अ ग्रेट एक्टर व्हेन इट कम्स टू एक्टिंग, सो आई लव हर एक्टिंग. एंड उसके सीन्स तो सारे मैं एज अ
But you have to say one scene.
मैंने आंखें बंद कर रहा था.
अच्छा ओके, सो आई विल टेल यू दैट सीन. उसने मुझे कल उसकी उड़ान सीरियल के सीन्स दिखाए, एंड उसने ऐसे ही सीन्स पिक किए जो उससे मुझे दिखाने थे. सो उसमें
He told me कि नोक-झोंक और ऐसे fun banter दिखा.
I wanted to see a cute scene ना.
But every fun banter turned into romance.
Okay.
अब मैं क्या करूँ, रोमांस हो रहा है, इसलिए then I was like ये क्या देख रहा हूँ. But नहीं, again she has been very good in उड़ान, in Vidya also. I've seen Canada में मुझे ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिलता because I work. But whenever I get time मैं try करता हूँ कि देखूँ, and then I message her, call her कि you know it's going good. Something if it's something bad then I'll tell her कि you know it's not good. But yeah, उसने मुझे कल scenes दिखाए. वो एक scene out से वो लोग जंगल में कुछ फाइटिंग कर रहे थे लकड़े से, एंड देन फाइटिंग ऑल ऑफ अ सडन टर्न इनटू रोमांस. तो मैं शॉक में आ गया कि ये ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, बट उसने मुझे दिखाया एंड आई एम हैप्पी.
Okay. Last two questions I wanted to ask you. How is it being, you know, a family member of a celebrity? You know, right now she's doing television. She'll do more projects, and you know, when you go do a lot of things, there are, of course, there are trolling, and you know, there are good things, there are bad things. So how is being a family member of a
I
celebrity?
don't get trolled.
To
by
be
it.
No,
honest,
some way, you know, maybe some or the other day. That's what I'm saying.
I have been a protective brother, but in आज के ज़माने में you have to be practical also when it comes to social media. There are going to be good things written about you, bad things as well. Every coin has two sides. So she's very strong by herself. वो ऐसी personality नहीं है जो you know trolls या bad comments से she'll you know break down. And when it comes to good you know comments or good appreciation posts, then of course she'll get motivated. So I don't think मुझे उसको कुछ बताना चाहिए. And then when it comes to me as a brother, I sometimes feel bad about you know if something wrong is written, but इसके केस में उतना ज़्यादा है नहीं, which is very good.
Right.
So I hope that continues.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And anything which you wish for her as an you know of course उसका birthday आ रहा है उनका, तो as an actress वो कौन से heights तक पहुँचे, as an individual वो कहाँ तक अपनी life में पहुँचे, कुछ भी अगर कहना चाहेंगे.
I think उसने already बताया कि as an individual she needs to like everyone needs to grow. खुद की development होनी चाहिए, not just professional work के related. But when it comes to acting, I want to see more from her, of course, because मेरे हिसाब से उसका caliber अच्छा है when it comes to acting, and she can do much better. And I'm sure she is into you know signing stuff and looking at projects. So I'm looking forward to it. And when it comes to her personal growth, तो मैं हुई तो I'll be a good brother, I'll guide her whenever needed,
Yeah.
but she is like a mother to me,
Okay.
more than a mother I would say. So ऐसे लोग मत दो, उसने मुझे पैसे नहीं भेजे but मैं तारीफ कर दूंगा कि she does good in life and I'll keep on praying for her.
Yeah. But any specific character you think she will nail it, you know, whenever she plays? I mean, because you of course know her as an actor and as a person.
I think she is very good when it comes to, again I'm not being a good brother, but as far as मैं इसको जानता हूँ, I think if आप उसको कोई character दोगे तो she'd be able to nail it, because she'd put in the hard work कि इसमें कैसे tone होना and stuff. But if वो कैसी as a person, if she needs to be like a normal Meera, then a melodramatic Meera, because मेरे साथ तो वही होता है, so I think she'll nail that thing.
Melodrama.
So I
I'll
think
name melodrama.
you'll nail melodrama very well.
Okay. And Lasmi, I want to know, since you have your whatever bond you people share as a brother and sister, of course, you know, it's the same most of them, but आप लोग ने कैसा bond share किया? Were you close or you know were you not close and अभी close हुए after a certain point of time?
We've always been close, both of us. इसके सर पे यहाँ पे जितनी भी चोटें हैं वो सब मेरी बदौलत है. He was like a small क्या बोलते हैं, मतलब आई वॉज जस्ट टेलिंग हिम इन द मॉर्निंग, इसको मैं उठाने गई तो जब मैं छोटी थी वो मेरी आंखें ना ऐसे खोल देता था. हम लोग एक दूसरे को इतना मारा है हम दोनों ने लातों से और ऐसे. इट्स ऑल चेंज नाउ बिकॉज नाउ इट्स वेरी मैच्योर्ड एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस. तो या we've always been, we used to be best friends. He went to Canada and I was wondering कि वापस आएगा तो कैसा होगा, because 4 साल आप किसी के साथ रहे नहीं हो, and he has grown from 18 to 22 are growing years for him, so he has also changed as a person. And earlier वो नहाने जाता था वो मॉप नहीं करता था, जब छोटा था तौलिए फेंक के रख देगा कपड़े कहीं भी. now it's all organized. तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है हाँ इसने सब कर दिया. But one thing that's really special about him that I want to share is that I remember when he was in 11th and 12th, he used to come here ऐसे कुछ दिन आता था, because mom used to stay with me. तो वो यहाँ आता था. तो I had a 2 AM का shift, मैं रात को 2 बजे वापस आई, and I thought कि mom must be asleep, he must be asleep. So suddenly he walks in from the kitchen with a plate of Maggie, and he's like, I made this for you and I stayed up for you. Come, let's sit and chat, have Maggie.
Yeah.
So that was very sweet of him. And even some days back, when I was sleeping and I woke up and he had to go somewhere, he had made sunny side up for me and bread and all that. And I was like, this is so special. So that's something, he's very thoughtful that way. And it's a very special thing about him. So he's grown as a good kid.
Okay. And on this note, we'll cut the cake.
Yes.
So Meera said it will be just a family celebration. Yep. So anything which you're planning for her, you'll not reveal definitely, but anything.
No, I told him my plans कि ये करना है.
उसने already reveal कर दिया. उसने बोल दिया कि मुझे ये चाहिए. So we are looking forward to doing all these things, and hopefully
it's better that way, no? कि बता दो कि मुझे क्या चाहिए.
Rather than me.
And I hate surprises. I cannot take surprise. मुझे कोई surprise है मेरा reaction ऐसा था. Wow, ऐसे बहुत गंदी acting करती हूँ, फिर सामने वाले को बुरा लग जाता है. So I tell people कि please do not give surprises.
Okay. And on this note, we'll cut the cake. Yeah. Just a minute. You have to sing for her now that you are.
I sing very bad.
I also sing very bad. Let's sing together. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to Meera. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, Meera, and I really hope आपके सारे wish, सारे dream projects आपको मिले.
White dress पे कुछ तो गिराना ही होता है. तो तेरे ऊपर गिरा ना?
Too much sweet.
And we can just eat.
Okay. Thank you to all of you first of all. And
It's to the fans. Okay?
yeah. And
Thank you. I'll just sing. Okay, thank you so much guys for the celebration first of all, and thank you so much sir for joining. Ali, anything which you want to say, because Meera हमेशा अपने fans के लिए कुछ ना कुछ बोलती हैं, तो ये बार आप ही closing कर दीजिए, कुछ बोल दीजिए Meera के fans के लिए.
Okay, so Meera के fans first of all मैं बहुत jealous हूँ क्योंकि इसकी birthday पे इसको बहुत सारे gifts मिलते हैं. So नहीं of course आप इतना सारा प्यार भेजते हो which is very good. I hope कि आप continue करते रहे इसे प्यार करना. and थोड़े बहुत gifts मेरे लिए भी भेज दो कोई. But no, again.
That's so mean of you.
I am just kidding.
Don't send.
But yeah, आप मत भेजो because she's actually like she likes it, but she does not want you to spend. So again, as she said, किसी को help करना is much better than sending her gifts. ऐसा नहीं कि she does not value it, but again, it's a good thing to do.
Yeah.
So again, keep loving her, and of course, you'll see her very soon in action. So fingers crossed.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.